A blessed Wednesday to us. I'm very much drawn into a very important dimension or topic in as much as our catechesis is concerned. And I'm here talking about the first reading today from the letter of Paul to the Ephesians. This is still part of the so-called the narrowness of the gate that the gospel reading is talking about. Precisely because the gate that Jesus is talking about has something to do with the commandments. It's actually like an entry point into, which of course, according to the tradition, there are so many commandments that are multiplied in order to fulfill one and only one commandment, which is love. And so that's the reason why it makes even more narrow. Tungod sa kadaghan, ironically, or in the exact opposite, daghan na hinuon kaayo unta og able o agianan, ni samot na hinuon ka hagipot kay daghan mang tumanon unya dili man makatuman. And so what is this particularly about the commandment? Now, if you're very familiar, of course, with the image or the picture or the statue of Moses bringing with him 2 tablets of stone, tablitas, according to the joke. Sa panahon pa ni Moises na anak ko yung mga tablitas. Kaya gadala man siyang 2 tablets. Okay, why are these 2 tablets? Nganong duha man gyud? Nganong dili ra man usa? And what are the contents of these tablets? Each tablet contain, or all of the tablets contain the 10 commandments. And they are specifically divided into 2. The first, second, and the third belonging to the first tablet, and the fourth to the 10th, the second tablet. Now, inasmuch as today's first reading is concerned, love or honor your father and mother is called by St. Paul, according to the tradition, the first commandment with a promise. The first commandment, of course, is love God above all things. But what is this first commandment with a promise? It is honor your father and mother, the fourth commandment. Now, why is it called the first commandment? Because in the law, this is the commandment with an affixed statement of a promise, which actually we have heard being read today. But there is also another reason why this is called the first commandment. Because this is the very first commandment of the second set of commandments for the love of neighbor. And this is actually mura ni siya og sukdanan. Because before we go out of ourselves, of our homes, una man gyud nato nga ugmaron ang paghigugma sa atong mga ginikanan. No? And this is always the thing that we have to struggle, even if people who are claiming that they love each other in the family, in their families, there are always, this is the very time and test, nga daghan kayong mga problema that actually comes from within. Sometimes we do not feel about it. And this is the very point that the precious demand of the Lord has to start from where we are. Diha sa atong tagsatag sa katugkaran, diha sa atong tagsatag sa kapanimalay. And so, take note of this. There are 10 commandments, yes. But the 10 commandments are subdivided into 2. Namely, love of God and love of neighbor. Now, the second set of the commandments for the love of neighbor begins with the first commandment with honor your father and mother. And that is the first commandment with a promise. And what is the promise? That it may go well with you and that you may have a long life on earth. Mobaya na nga kanunay, mingon ka, huy, imuha ng ginikanan, uy, gabaan, gani ka, di ka malangit. No? I think that's where it comes from. Kanang ato ang kanunay nga pag-aghat o pagpaningkamot nga ato ang mahalon, dili lang palanggaon, mahalon ug ato ang respetaran ang atong mga ginikanan. Amen.